My lord, may please to see order sheet dated 7/7/2022, my lord.
7/7/23
2022, my
जी पढ़िएगा।
My lord, ये लिखा है learned counsel for petitioner submit that there is no contradiction to annexure P5 dated 18 December 2012 issued by Office of Inspector General of Registration and Superintendent of Stamp Madhya Pradesh, and according to it petitioner required to pay stamp duty on mortgage deed equal to the amount of development mentioned, whereas state is demanding stamp duty 1.25 times cost of the development. माय लॉर्ड, अब एडिशनल रिटर्न फाइल कर दिया है, उसमें भी कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट नहीं किया है सर।
बताइएगा किस प्रावधान में 1.25 टाइम्स मांग रहे हैं आप?
We have filed the additional reply.
हाँ पढ़िएगा।
We have quoted the also
इसको कोट किया है आपने?
मध्य प्रदेश नगर पालिका रजिस्ट्रेशन कॉलोनाइजर टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस 12 लॉर्डशिप।
हाँ पढ़िएगा। R1 में टच में है।
Yes, in the additional reply लॉर्डशिप। Yes. In the additional reply लॉर्डशिप in para number 3.
एडिशनल रिप्लाई कब फाइल किया आप?
Undated लॉर्डशिप 23/9/2022।
अच्छा। एडिशनल रिटर्न जी बताइए। इसका पैरा नंबर 3 पढ़िएगा प्लीज।
मेरे लिए
जी क्या लिखा है? ये प्रावधान कहाँ से आया? ये तो पूछना है आपसे थोड़ा सा। In order to ensure complete internal development in a colony out of the plots or houses or flats, as the case may be, to be developed by the colonizer, leaving the plots or houses or flats reserved for the economically weaker sections and the lower income group, the plots or houses or flats in the following proportions shall have to be mortgaged by the colonizer with the concerned municipality. In case of plotted development, such number of plots, cost of which under the prevailing collector guideline rates for that area for plotted development, excluding the cost of construction on such plots if any, is equal to 125% of the cost of internal development. इसका क्या मतलब होता है? स्टैम्प ड्यूटी का क्या संबंध? इसका मतलब समझे आप नहीं समझे? इसका मतलब ये होता है कि अगर डेवलपमेंट की कॉस्ट 100 रुपए है तो आप 125 रुपए के मूल्य के प्लॉट मॉर्गेज करेंगे। इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप 1.25 गुना जो है स्टैम्प ड्यूटी लेंगे। अगर आपके अधिकारी इतना नहीं समझते तो you file affidavit of the inspector general, either I quash it or you file affidavit of the inspector general of the stamps and registration. इस प्रावधान का क्या मतलब होता है?
Even lordship that has clarified in the para 4 in the
पढ़िएगा पैरा 4। किसका एफिडेविट है पहले तो ये बता दीजिए।
affidavit lordship
Collector
of stamps का।
हाँ चलिए
नवामी
पढ़िए पैरा 4 पढ़िएगा। हाँ
The bare perusal of a court statutory provision as contained in the so-and-so would reveal that development cost is equal to 125% of the cost of the internal development and therefore for arriving।
कहाँ से आया ये प्रावधान? आपके अधिकारी समझते नहीं हैं। Where from you will arrive at this? 1.25 गुना स्टैम्प ड्यूटी कैसे हो जाएगी? अगर मेरे 10 प्लॉटों का मूल्य 100 रुपए के बराबर है तो मुझे 11 प्लॉट मॉर्गेज करने पड़ेंगे जिससे कि वो 1.25 गुना हो जाए। 11 प्लॉट का जो वैल्यूएशन होगा उसका स्टैम्प ड्यूटी लगेगा, उसमें 1.25 गुना स्टैम्प ड्यूटी थोड़ा ना लगेगा। देखिएगा, दिस पिटीशन is filed by the petitioners being aggrieved of the decision of the revenue authorities dated 6/7/2015 and 12/12/2013 respectively passed in revision petition number 883-2/2014 and case number 40/B-103 बटे 2013-14 by the member Board of Revenue and the collector of stamps Katni, whereby the respondents have their annexure.
अनेक्षर है P12 और P15 में
enclosed as annexure P15 and P12 respectively, whereby the collector of stamps इसकी रीडेबल कॉपी है क्या आपके पास में?
जी मैं
इसमें तो टाइप कॉपी लगाई है आप?
टाइप कॉपी नहीं लगाई।
Wherein it is mentioned that the property in question is situated in Maharana Pratap Ward of Katni city under injury area. Full stop. Taking recourse to the provisions of clause 12 of Madhya Pradesh Nagar Palika colonizer registration निबंधन तथा शर्तें ब्रैकेट में है रूल्स 1998 as per the notification dated 22/4/2013 63 plots starting from 301 to 363 measuring 12019.91 square meter were mortgaged in lieu of development work with the Municipal Corporation Katni. Full stop. सवा गुना कहाँ मांग रहे हैं?
जी मैडम
कहाँ मांग रहे हैं सवा गुना?
ये बोल रहे हैं ना 3,25,000 रुपए देना सर।
हाँ पढ़िएगा ना, सवा गुना कैसे होगा?
ये बता रहा हूँ। ये पेज 56 में काइंडली सी में
इस चीज का 56
P8 एनेक्सर P8
ये पढ़िएगा।
ये इसमें लिखा बंधक विलेख में वर्णित विकास लागत इतना रुपए पर मुद्रांक शुल्क इतने रुपए लेकर पंजीयन किया गया। बाद में पंजीयन जानकारी होने पर प्रचलित दर मार्गदर्शिका में 7,500 प्रति वर्ग मीटर किए गए भूखंडों का रकबा इतना स्क्वायर मीटर है, अतः इतने रुपए होता है। विलेख में विकास लागत का 125% रुपए 9 करोड़ रुपए लगभग होता है। कुल
ऊपर लिखिएगा सबसे पहले also aggrieved of the show cause notice annexure P8 wherein it is mentioned that he is required to pay the stamp duty on 125% of the valuation of the plots. Full stop. Then he is assailing the impugned orders annexure P12 and P15 respectively passed by the collector of stamps and the board of revenue. Next, Sharif. Ved Prakash Tiwari has drawn attention of this court to additional return filed by the authorities on 22 September 2022, wherein in para 3 they have quoted the provisions contained in Rule 12 of the Rules of 1998, which reads as under. इसको quote कर दीजिए. And thereafter they have tried to justify the charging of charging stamp duty as per 125% valuation of the property. Full stop. Next fact. After hearing learned counsel for the parties and going through the record, Clause A of Rule 12(1)(a) reads that in case of plotted development, such number of plots, cost of which under the prevailing collector guidelines, rates for that area for plotted development, excluding the cost of construction on such plots, if any, is equal to 125% of the cost of internal development. Means that if the development work is worth ₹100, then plots having valuation as per the current collector guidelines having value of ₹125 are required to be mortgaged. It does not mean that the property which is mortgaged will be valued at 125% to charge the stamp duty, and therefore when tested it don't show cause notice contained in Annexure P8 and consequential orders Annexure P12 and P15 having failed to take this aspect into consideration are cryptic and contrary to the provisions contained in Rule 12(1)(a). Therefore, Annexure P8, P12 and P15 are hereby set aside. Stamp duty will be payable as per the market valuation of the plots which were mortgaged on the date of their mortgage, and nothing more shall be chargeable. In above, the petition is disposed.
Online. I'm good.
Petitioner उसमें आगे बढ़िए. Petitioner will also be entitled to cost of this litigation, which has emanated due to gross misunderstanding of legal provisions on the part of the respondent authorities, which is quantified at ₹50,000. This cost of ₹50,000 may be recovered from the district registrar, public collector of steps, and shall not be debited to the public exchequer. It will be paid to the petitioner by the state within 30 days and will be recoverable from the concerned delinquent officers. बताइए.
In this case, the petitioner Nagar Palika filed